For this video, we're going to go over finding the least common denominator of two fractions so that we can add them together. Fractions can't be added when their denominator is not the same. So first problem, identify the least common denominator of 1/2 and 3/10 and find their sum. So first, note here that this fraction, any number x over itself, is equal to 1. Just make that note. So here, to find the common denominator of 1/2 and 3/10 is pretty easy. You know that 2 go into 10, so to get this to become a form where its denominator is 10, you multiply by 5. So 1/2 multiplied by 5 over 5. And note here that 5 over 5 is just 1. We're multiplying the fraction by 1, but in this form, to convert it, to get the denominator to be 10. So 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10. So now we can add 5/10 to 3/10 together. So 5/10 plus 3/10 equal to 8/10. And that's our answer. And you can even reduce it if you wish. So next problem, identify the least common denominator of 2/3, 5/6, and 7/9 and find their sum. To start with finding the LCD of these three fractions, you start with the biggest denominator, which is 9, and find multiples of 9 that also divides evenly into 6 and 3. So I listed up multiples of 9 is 9, 18, 27, and 36. So in this case, the first number 9, 6 does not go into 9, 3 does go into 9, so we can't use 9. The next multiple of 9 is 18. 9 go into 18, 6 go into 18, 3 go into 18. So that 18 is our LCD. So now we must convert all three of these fractions to make the denominator 18. So 2/3, to get the denominator to 18, we multiply by 6 over 6. Again, we're just multiplying by 1. So we get 12 over 18. To get 6 to become 18, we'll multiply by 3. 15 over 18. To get 9 to get to 18, we multiply by 2. And now we get 14 over 18. So now we can add all three fractions together, plus 15 over 18 plus 15. And our final answer is 41 over 18. That's the sum. Next problem. Simplify 1/3 minus 5/12 plus 7 over 16. Same process, start with the biggest denominator, find multiples of it. So multiples of 16 is 16, 32, 48, 64. So, 12 doesn't go into 16, so 16 doesn't work. 16 go into 32, 12 does not go into 32, so that doesn't work. 16 go into 48, 12 goes into 48, 3 also go into 48. So this is our LCD that we're going to use. So now we got to convert the fractions. 3 go into 48 16 times. So 16 over 16, you get 16 over 48. 12 go into 48 4 times. So multiply by 4 over 4, you get negative 5/12 times 5 over 4 is 20 over 48. 7, 16. 16 go into 48 3 times. So 3, get 21 over 48. Now we can simplify this expression using our new fractions. So 16 over 48 minus 20 over 48 plus 21 over 48. And our answer is 17 over 48.